What's up, YouTube? It is review time, and today we're going to be discussing the G.1 Airsoft pistol. Now, this pistol, as you can see by my hand, is rather on the small side. It's got about a 4.5 inch barrel. The stock's pretty short, but this gun is solid metal. The only plastic pieces are the magazine and the barrel, the orange part of the barrel. It's a very reliable and accurate gun, and if you're in an airsoft battle and let's say your other gun runs out of ammo and you don't have time to reload, you can whip this thing out of your pocket, and it's got a 7-round magazine, so just boom, cock, boom, and yeah, so let's go over some stats. It can shoot about 200 to 10 FPS, 7-round clip like I said before. You do have to cock it after each shot, like that. Wait, what the heck? Yeah, like that. And I love this gun, honestly. So, those are the quick stats. Now let us go to the range and try it out. There we are. So as you can see, it is a pretty accurate gun, and from about 10 yards, which is where I was at, it hit right where I was aiming it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe.